Get unlimited resources by following the easy step-to-step procedure on this video. Watch till the end and follow the procedures carefully. Good day, guys. Today I will show you how to use this only working generator in the whole internet to make your resources unlimited. As you can see, guys, I have almost nothing, but just keep on watching and I will show you how I got my unlimited resources. First, browse on this website that is showing on this video. Choose your game platform. Second, enter the amount of resources that you would like to receive. Enter your username and tap Generate. At this moment of time, you can simply relax and wait for the generator to process your request. Please make sure to follow these easy tasks for you to receive your free resources. Open and play both games or apps for 30 seconds each, or just complete the offer that's been given to you for you to receive your free resources. Once you're done doing the verifications, you can now open your games and you can see that your resources have been added automatically in your account. Here's mine. Thank you guys for watching. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy!